Let's go ahead and do a review of Synthesys, which is create multilingual AI-powered videos and voice overs using human voices. It's alternative to typecast and would be best for course creators, marketers, and sales teams that want to produce video and voiceover content without breaking the bank. Before getting into the full review, and I gotta say that it's a pretty promising tool. So let's go ahead and do a deep dive into Synthesys and see how it works. You can grab a lifetime deal for just $69, and for $59 you'll get 30 videos per month, 100 voiceover downloads per month. If you go for unlimited videos and unlimited voiceover, it costs you $179 in license tier 2. I will leave a link in the description below. You can check it out. Synthesys is an AI-powered virtual media platform that allows you to easily create multilingual videos and voiceover content with real actors and voices. Choose from over 300 voices in multiple languages, accents, and moods to find the perfect spokesperson for your projects or upload your own custom voice. You can even add pauses, alter speed, and confirm pronunciation to control the avatar's cadence. You can choose from 60 hyper-realistic human avatars across various languages, ethnicities, and ages for text-to-video content. Synthesys lets you create a scene between multiple presenters with the ability to merge them into one video without any technical know-how. Adjust the on-screen placement of your avatar to fit any project, like an online course, product tour, or training video. You'll also be able to add backgrounds and pre-recorded soundtracks to any video, making your content more engaging for viewers. The easy-to-use interface allows you to convert your PDFs, blogs, and PowerPoint slides into engaging and hyper-personalized content. You can even upload your own images or videos to the Synthesys editor and produce multi-slide videos up to 12 minutes long. This cloud-based application makes it super convenient to create and edit voiceover content from anywhere. Synthesys allows you to translate your videos and scripts into multiple languages, so you can expand your business reach to global markets. This makes it a cinch to produce cross-market promotional content or put together onboarding videos for clients and employees around the world. And you can always edit your content on the go to address current events or new product promotions. Choosing the wrong AI voiceover software can leave your content sounding like something straight out of the uncanny valley. Luckily, Synthesys is loaded with tons of human voices, avatars, and languages. So you can create high-quality video or voiceover content right from your computer. Make realistic audio-visual content for any project. Get lifetime access to Synthesys today. I will leave a link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe.